Hi guys, quick video unboxing of one of my items that I purchased yesterday, got delivered today via express post. So I had this Line 6 Relay G10 that I've been using before. So good stuff, this one. So that's the receiver where with its charge as well. This power cable, and this is the transmitter. Okay, so what has happened? Okay, I'll put it here. So this has gone bad. I think so. The battery inside. Oh, sorry. So yeah. So this battery, I think so. It's from my research. That's what has gone. I had given it to my friend to repair, but he was saying it's much better if I can get the new one. So yeah, so this is busted. All right. So that's the transmitter. So just got delivered. That's the new one. So this one, it was G10, and this is the G10 2. Okay, you can see its features here. Okay, nice. So let's do quick unboxing, and I got it from Manny's Music. Manny's Music. It's a music shop in Australia, all over Australia. So I ordered, and it says, "Thank you. Enjoy your new sweet gear." I'm pretty sure it's jelly bean inside. You know what? Let me open this first. My wife was saying, "Oh, open this one." So let me see. And as I suspected, it is the jelly bean. I have one. I'll give to my wife soon. Okay, let's unbox this. That's the manual. Okay, that's the one here. Important, by breaking this seal you are agreeing to the terms. Okay. Yes, because I want to use it. I will open it. Okay, finally managed. I didn't want to break this cut that, so okay. I'll show you the old one comparison. I like the color, silver, grayish. This was all black. Yeah. Apart from that, looks alright. I took that thing off, and this is compatible with my old receiver. Okay, so it just goes in like this. I'm gonna put it on and we'll try together. Okay, there is a green indicator even without turning it on. Let's see, I'll try to put the power cable. I'll take this off. I'll put this one direct in. Oh, it should light up. Okay, see these white lines. Now I'm gonna insert this one, which, let's see what happens. So this is doing the thing. So the white one, that means they are connected. The battery LED is red, so I'm pretty sure that means low. It has to be green, I guess, from my previous experience. But as you can see, it is compatible with this, right? And I've got a gig next week, so I'm gonna use this one. I'm really excited to use it again because I was just using the cable, and yeah, it is good, but wireless is really good. Anyways, I'll leave this. Okay, I'll take this off. So again, here we go. Thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, once it's charged, I'll try to put it on. Okay. You know what? Let me turn on my amp and see what happens. I'll put this in charge, and I'll turn on my amp and see what happens. Okay. That's my beautiful Strat. This one I'm gonna put it here. Okay. It's my beautiful guitar with all the signature. Maybe I'll show this guitar one day and explain whose signature are there. There we go, guys. See, it's wireless. I'm happy. And it's clean too. Why I'm surprised. I used this one before anyways. Oh wow. I'm really happy again. Got to use this after a long time, because like I was thinking, should I fix it or buy another one. Glad I got the new one. It's working perfectly. I need to charge it, but I don't hear any tone loss, honestly. My Strat is sounding so nice. I was playing my Charvel Guthrie Govan signature, but man, like Strat has that different sound, it just feels good. So I am happy, and this thing rocks. I'm gonna show you my back plate. So I have my original back plate here. It's been signed by Mike Stern, so I've changed it to this just for fancy. Nice guitar, isn't it? Love it. And thank you for watching my video again. I didn't plan anything. I thought I would show you the transmitter, but yeah, I ended up plugging into the guitar amp. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, thanks for your support. Please like my videos. Just gonna give thumbs up to this Line 6 Relay G10 T2. The 10 was also good. I was working, and it has some improvement, but honestly I have to look through all the details again to specification as what are the like significant changes. but so far I'm pretty happy. Like straight away plugged in. You guys saw it. I haven't even charged it properly, but and it says after you charge it goes for about 7 hours, up to 7 hours playing, 170 hours standby. So if you don't use it, it's on standby, so it's really nice, and I'm pretty happy. And thanks Manny's Music, um, send it so quickly, and also nice, really good jelly beans. Thank you guys. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna have one more. All right guys, bye bye.